So, were they good?
Yeah, they're pretty good. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. Today we have a special Halloween edition of Chewy Vanilla Sugar Cookies. First I'm going to show you how to bake these and then we can have some fun with some decoration. To start, this is called a pestle and mortar. We're going to make our own all-purpose flour at home by grinding away these flours. You want to grind in a clockwise motion because counterclockwise only achieves half the purposes. Next we need some bread flour. For bread flour it's more of a sensual tapping motion. Then harvest some sugar.
Can I have some sugar? Because you're so sweet.
Now we need to measure out our proportions using this scale, which I use exclusively for cooking. Add a plate on top for your dry ingredients. Oh hey, it's the one fan who watches my videos. The proportions of flour should be about 70 grams all-purpose flour and 70 grams of bread flour, totaling, 1 second, 140 grams. If you over pour, no worries. You just need to kind of cut some out and remove it little by little. Okay, perfect. Next we need to add 120 grams of sugar. So hold on, that's 70 plus 70 plus 120 equals 260. 260. Whew. I really don't know how we functioned back in the day without phones. Next, harvest some salt.
Can I have some salt?
Why?
Because you're salty as fuck.
Shut the
Add about half a teaspoon. Then you want to add a whole teaspoon of baking soda, and that's it for the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 egg yolks. Lucky for me, I have a special chicken that poops eggs filled with yolks only. Okay, there's white, but that's okay. Try again, buddy. Oh, come on! You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. One more. You son of a bitch! I've had some time to think and I realize you can just pull the yolk out of an existing egg, and you don't need to kill your special egg friend. Next, add a stick and a quarter of melted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Man, I'm really glad I didn't need a tablespoon. Mix your wet ingredients first. You can use a rubber spoon and do it by hand, or you can use a KitchenAid mixer. I'm gonna use a mixer. Now combine your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients. You should probably use a sifter. Yeah, I done messed up. Now to mix this all together, Okay, all mixed. I love you. On a baking sheet, lay down some parchment paper. Here's a trick. Double layer it to help keep the bottom from burning. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop your cookies to a consistent size. If you didn't have nice things growing up, a spoon will do. You can see, this is the point where I gave up on the spoon and manhandled it. Whatever though, it's still gonna taste good. Throw these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden. So I made a mistake along the way. I placed these a little too close together, and the sizes were a little off. This is more of a personal preference, but I like to take it out about 2 minutes early if you want it super chewy. It needs to rest for at least 10 minutes. Remove the trays so the hot metal doesn't overcook the bottom. Alright, now because it's Halloween, I need to decorate these cookies with some of the scariest things I can think of. Like some spooky ghosts, creepy crawlies, a demonic zombie, my student loans, spider webs, I'm pregnant, more spiders, multiracial ghosts, it's twins!
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does a Cooking. Guys, I'm gonna scare Jackie right now. Look. She won't expect a single thing.
Hi.
Were you not scared?
No, was I supposed to be scared?
Yeah.
Do you know how scaring works?
Yeah, like that.
I'm not supposed to see or hear you coming. I could hear you.
Oh, okay. Let me do it again.
That's not how it works.
Let me do it again. One more time. Here we go.
Oh my god!
I got you, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, buddy. Sweet.
Aww.
Okay, this isn't working.
What do you mean? What was wrong with that?
It just seems so unnatural.
Well, it is unnatural for you to say nice things to me.
Okay.
That's what you should record.
Okay.
That should be the outro.
Yeah. Okay.